Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to calculate standard deviations in Google Docs step by step. So let's begin. First open Google spreadsheet, create a blank sheet or open your data, type your data or adjust, copy paste, then use simple data. Then see this use for simple data, double click again, see this equal STDEV A2 A6 cells, press enter. Double click autofill and use population data. See this simply add P STDEVP equal, press enter, autofill. Then select, press Ctrl C for copy, go to again Google Docs, open your document or create a blank document, then paste link to spreadsheet. Okay, then update here, press enter, then update. Now see this sense. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.